How to change bio. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change bio on tweets. So first thing, go to your application, click on your profile here and click here on edit profile. So you will find those options. All you need to do is click on bio, and here guys you can change bio and you can add wherever you want, for example, and click on the check icon. Once you are done, you can click on done at the top here and wait for a second. And this is it guys, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. See you on the next one.